picnic, fruit, omelette, sugar, butter, sandwich, biscuits, onion, salt, cheese, flour.
Mum, we're going on a picnic.
How many sandwiches have you got?
A lot.
How much fruit have you got?
Not much, but we've got a lot of biscuits.
How many people are going?
Not many, just 6 of us. 7. Don't forget Masid. Oh no, it's raining. Now we can't go on a picnic.
Oh, yes we can!
How many sandwiches have you got?
How much meat have you got?
How many carrots have you got?
How much flour have you got?
How many apples have you got?
How much butter have you got?
How many eggs have you got?
How much sugar have you got?
How many bananas have you got?
How much salt have you got?
How many biscuits have you got?
How much cheese have you got? How much sugar is there in the picture?
Not much.
How many potatoes are there in the picture?
Not many.
How many tomatoes are there in the picture?
A lot.
How much flour is there in the picture?
A lot.
How much rice is there in the picture?
Not much.
How many biscuits are there in the picture?
Not many.
Sword, plate, pirate, ship, violin, London, basket, window.
Wow! Where are we? Who are you?
You're on my ship. I'm Blackbeard the pirate. Whose is this basket? What's in it?
It's ours. It's got food in it.
Ah, yum. Food for me and my men.
Oh no! You can't have it.
And how can you stop us?
This is how.
Hey, come back. We're hungry.
Bye-bye, Blackbeard.
Whose room is it?
Paul's.
What does Paul play?
The violin.
Who is his favourite singer?
Elvis.
When is Paul's birthday?
In May.
Where does he live?
In London.
How many windows are there?
1.
Make a chicken sandwich. This is my favorite sandwich. I eat one every day for lunch. This is how you make it. Take 2 big pieces of bread. Put some butter on them. Put 2 eggs, some tomato, 2 pieces of cheese, and some chicken on 1 piece of bread. Cover it with the other piece of bread. Put your sandwich on a plate. Now eat it. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, it's very nice.
Make a chicken sandwich with 4 big pieces of bread.
No.
Make a chicken sandwich with some butter.
Yes.
Make a chicken sandwich with some tomato.
Yes.
Make a chicken sandwich with some chicken.
Yes.
Make a chicken sandwich with some milk.
No.
How many eggs and how much meat are we taking on our picnic? Bring your glass and bring your plate. Let's have a picnic. How many girls and how many boys are coming? a picnic.